What's going on YouTube, it's GadgetsBoy and welcome to another video, and in this video we're taking a look at the iRobot Roomba 980 vacuuming robot. Mouthful. So this is designed to make your life easier and take away the pain of having to make time to manually vacuum your home or office space regularly, so this thing can be scheduled and so on. Hopefully this won't make me any lazier than I already am in the long run. In the box you get all the essentials that you need to get started, so you get a charging station with grips on the bottom of it as well, so it's nicely planted on the floor. You got user manuals, a quick start guide, 2 virtual wall barriers with 2 AA batteries already included, so you don't have to buy anything extra. You get a spare brush, a spare filter, and of course you get the robot vacuum cleaner itself. So the virtual wall barriers can be used in 2 modes. So you got the virtual wall mode, which can block access by up to 3 meters, or the halo mode, which can stop the Roomba from bumping into items like your dog bowls. So this is great for pet owners, for example. Once you've unboxed everything, you need to remove the 2 yellow tabs on the bottom of it, plug in the charging station and dock the Roomba to get it charged up before use. You also need to set up your walls as well, your virtual walls, and then download the iRobot app as well to get it to connect to your Wi-Fi networks, add it to your Alexa or Google Assistant setup, or if you got the ETT stuff set up as well, and voila, you're ready to go. The setup is super easy and it's actually easier than I thought it would be. On the Roomba itself you get 3 buttons, the clean, spot and dock buttons. It's fairly straightforward what the buttons do. So the home button would dock it back to the docking station, the clean would just set it off to start cleaning, and the spot one would just set it to find spots, dirt spots in the area. Above the buttons you get 5 indicator lights, and from the left to right you get the Wi-Fi indicator, troubleshooting, battery, full bin and dirt detector indicator lights. Again, fairly straightforward what they are. The troubleshooting one is one that you need to keep an eye on, so if there's any error you'll be able to know straight away. You also get alerted on your phone app as well if you turn on notifications. Elsewhere you notice the iAdapt localization camera, you get the RCON sensor or RCON sensor. I just automatically called it RCON. And the handle to easily pick it up as well, so if there's any errors, for example if there's an error with the bumper or anything, you'll be able to pick it up easily and get it going again. Turn it over though, you notice this is where everything's at. So you get your side brush, cliff sensors, extractor frame release tabs, caster wheel, charging contact points, floor tracking sensor, debris extractors, and up front you notice the bin. And inside this bin, once you pull it out, really nice and easy and straightforward, is where the filter is, which can be replaced as well, just like the side brush, which I showed you guys earlier on. This is not a review by any chance, just an overview and an unboxing video for you guys to kind of just get a feel for what it's like and what it can do. In the meantime, make sure you're subscribed to GadgetsBoy.co.uk and you follow me on Twitter, so you know when that review's live as in written format, because I feel this is something that needs to be written about rather than a video. There's a lot to talk about here. So far I've set it off in the room and it's doing its thing, and I've set a schedule to do it at 9 AM every day, and I'm just looking forward to how this thing's going to handle my lifestyle. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell button as well, so you'll be one of the first people to know when we upload a video on this channel. Thanks for watching, catch you guys in the next one.